Hey guys, welcome. This is Mark with D7. Thanks for tuning in today. On this channel I cover drone tutorials and technology. So this charger might look familiar to you. It looks exactly like the same gray charger as has been available for the Mavic Pro. It's the same color, same size, and same manufacturer. But of course the power output is different, as well as the connectors to match the Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom battery. And the best thing about this charger is that it charges up to 3 batteries simultaneously, as well as your remote controller and mobile phone or tablet. So let's take a close look at the charger. We've got model number YX-M-2-01. Input AC 100 to 240 volts, 50-60 Hertz. Output is 17.6 volts, 13.5 amps. Branch output 17.6 volts, 4.5 volts. Output for USB 5 volts at 2 amps. And there are 3 indicator lights here to indicate the state of the charging for the 3 batteries. Here are the 3 battery connectors. Each one has a protective cover. And then here are the 2 USB ports. There is a fan right here that turns on, probably based on temperature. And then you do have the power input. And there is unfortunately no switch on here, which is just like the Mavic Pro charger. And here's the dimensions. Alright, so let's see how long it takes to charge up all the batteries. Battery levels are shown on the screen. Start the timer. Here we go. Alright guys, so as far as charging time, just figure that it's going to take about 6 minutes to fully charge a battery, and the remote controller about 1.5 minutes for every percentage. And just a quick but important note about DJI's charging hub for the Mavic 2. Although you can hook up 4 batteries at the same time, it does only charge the batteries sequentially instead of simultaneously like this charger does. So pros and cons: charges all flight batteries simultaneously in about an hour. Charges 2 other devices via the USB ports. Good build quality, same manufacturer as the original Mavic Pro charger with many favorable reviews. Reasonable price. And for the cons, missing convenience of a power switch, and you do get some noise from the cooling fan. Alright guys, so that is it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, appreciate you hitting that like button. Happy flying guys. Bye.